In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of your Word document. This simple process can help make your document more visually appealing and is a great way to add a little customization to your work, whether for professional projects or personal notes. Starting off, let's ensure you have your Word document open and ready. First, we'll need to focus on the upper area of your Word interface, known as the ribbon. The ribbon contains various tabs with multiple command sets that allow you to perform an array of tasks. For this task, our focus will be on the Design tab. You'll find it located towards the left-hand side of the ribbon, alongside tabs like Insert and Layout. Go ahead and click on Design to expand its options. Once you're in the Design tab, take a look towards the right of your screen. You'll see a section labeled Page Background. This is where you'll find the tools necessary to alter the background of your page. For today's task, we're specifically interested in the page color option. It should be right there in front of you. Clicking on Page Color will open a palette of various hues for you to choose from. This palette provides a visual display of colors, making it easier to select a shade that fits the tone and style you're looking for. You can easily navigate through this array of colors and choose one by simply clicking on it. As soon as a color is chosen, you should see your page background instantly transform before your very eyes. If you're looking for something more unique or don't quite see the right shade in the default palette, you have the option to explore more shades. Look for the More Colors option, which provides a wider array of colors. Selecting this will open a new dialog box where you can mix and match different shades precisely to your liking. This can be particularly useful if you need to match your document's background to company branding or if you're aiming for a very specific look. Choosing a background color for your document doesn't just personalize it, it can also affect how your audience perceives your work. Darker colors may lend a more dramatic tone, while lighter shades often read as more professional or academic. Customizing these elements can enhance the readability and aesthetic of your document. Remember, changing the page color can also be undone or altered at any time if you decide to revert back to a standard white background, or if you'd like to experiment with other options. Feel free to play around with it until you find something that suits your needs perfectly. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial helps you elevate your document design skills.